Thank you everyone for that cheerful things. Parents, there is a request. Please do not rush for your child if their performance is over. You will be given them whenever, there will be announcement. I will announce, then you can go and collect your awards. Thank you. All the world is a stage, and we, men and women, are merely a player. They have their exits and their entrances. And one man in his time can play many parts. His act being 7 ages. At first, the infant mewling and puking in the arms of nurse. And ending at the old age with spectacles on a nose and a pouch on a side. Ladies and gentlemen, gradually we all are approaching toward it at our own time. There is a famous quote from a Anand movie. Anyone has seen that Anand movie? There is a famous quote, Babu Mashai, ye duniya ek rangmanch hai. ये एक रंगमंच है और हम सब इस रंगमंच के कठपुतलियां हैं. Continuing in high spirits, let's take this evening to another genre of Irish folklore depicting 19th century courageous stereotypes of the Irish community through a play, Leprechaun's Gold. Huge round of applause for the play, Leprechaun's Gold. I cannot hear applause. Please everyone, huge round of applause. Louder. Thank you.
The Leprechaun's Gold. The leprechauns are 6 feet high and they're always dressed in green. They're excellent shoemakers because they had to be. Because one of their favorite pastime is dancing. And they have a large amount of gold in their possession. You can find their gold at the end of the rainbow. In search of the leprechauns and their gold.
Have you ever seen a leprechaun? Little green hat and boots so brown. Have you ever seen a leprechaun? Can you catch one sneaking around? He's got a secret pot of gold hiding at the end of a rainbow. And you can try and find it, but you'll never win. Get a 4-leaf clover and try again. Have you ever seen a leprechaun? Tiny little trickster from Ireland. Have you ever seen a leprechaun? Maybe, just maybe, you can make him your friend. Maybe he'll be your friend.
What they are doing? What they are doing? I don't know. What they are doing? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am coming. What they are doing? No.
catch a me, quick or I'll be gone. Fiddly-diddly, catch a me, I'm a leprechaun. Back in old Ireland, in days of yore, there lived a little man who's seldom seen anymore. Stood 6 inches high and always dressed in green, a master of the magic, the best ever seen. Wearing silver buckles and golden bells, and he would go singing through the dells. Oh, fiddly-diddly, catch a me, quick or I'll be gone. Fiddly-diddly, catch a me, I'm a leprechaun.
You ever seen a leprechaun? Little green hat and boots so brown. Have you ever seen a leprechaun? Can you catch one sneaking around?
See, there is David. David? David, take you home? Yes! We found David! We found David! We found David! Can we go back home? You get there, promise. Now you can go back to your home and take some gold. Good morning, ma'am. Why is he excited? Ma'am, we make leprechauns. Leprechauns, they are not real. Ma'am, see, we have all. So tell me a story.
The children found David, the child of a leprechaun. Hence, the leprechauns let their children go with the gift of gold. They told their story to the teacher.
So students, one of the stories, if you do good with others, others will do good to you.
Hello.
Hello. You should encourage them because they are so small. They played it. That was the biggest thing they could do. देखूं जो तेरी आंखों को मेरा हर सपना जग जाए. देखूं जो तेरी आंखों को मेरा हर सपना जग जाए. सुनूं जो तेरी बातों को कुछ जज्बा सा बस जाए. चाहूं मैं और क्या इस दुनिया से. चाहूं मैं और क्या इस दुनिया से. मांगूं मैं और क्या खुदा की रोशनी से. जो माँ तुझसे इतना प्यार मिल जाए. जो माँ तुझसे इतना प्यार मिल जाए. Mother is the biggest gift of God to all human. Believe it or not, she is the real queen without being mean. Her helping nature, positive attitude, unique character, sweet smile, devotional heart. Oh God, इतना सब कुछ. माँ तो जन्नत का वो फूल है. माँ तो जन्नत का वो फूल है. प्यार करना उसका उसूल है. माँ की हर दुआ कबूल है. दुनिया की हर मोहब्बत फजूल है. माँ की हर दुआ कबूल है. Now sir will share some words which he has written for some dedication.
मैम, ये पोएम आपके लिए, तो ध्यान से सुनना. मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि फिर से मैं फरिश्ता हो जाऊं. मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि फिर से मैं फरिश्ता हो जाऊं. माँ से इस तरह लिपट जाऊं कि बच्चा हो जाऊं. सोचता हूं तो छलक उठती है आंखें मेरी. सोचता हूं तो छलक उठती है आंखें मेरी. रूठे रहोगे तो कहीं मर ना जाऊं. कम से कम अपने बच्चों की खुशी के खातिर, कम से कम अपने बच्चों के खुशी के खातिर ऐसी मिट्टी में मिलाना कि खिलौना हो जाऊं. सोचता हूं तो छलक उठती है आंखें मेरी. सोचता हूं तो छलक उठती है आंखें मेरी. तेरे बारे में ना सोचूं तो अकेला हो जाऊं. चारा घर तेरी महारत पे यकीन है, लेकिन क्या जरूरी है कि हर बार मैं अच्छा हो जाऊं. बेसबब इश्क में मरना मुझे मंजूर नहीं. लोग तो चाह रहे हैं कि मैं तुझसे दूर हो जाऊं. शायरी कुछ भी हो लेकिन रुस्वा नहीं होने देती. शायरी कुछ भी हो लेकिन रुस्वा नहीं होने देती. माँ तेरे दर्द से दूर चला जाऊं तो कहीं बेघर ना हो जाऊं. कहीं बेघर ना हो जाऊं.
Thank you, sir. Now we welcome a dance dedicated only not to their mothers but to every and all. A huge round of applause for the kids for that beautiful dedication. Thank you.
जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी. माँ, ओ माँ, जब चोट कभी मेरे लग जाती थी तो आँख तेरी भी तो भर आती थी. एक छोटी सी भूख से तेरी सभी दर्द मेरे होते थे गुम. आज भी कोई चोट लगे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो. आज भी मेरी आँख भरे तो याद आती हो, याद आती हो. मेरी माँ, मेरी तेरी बातों में अपनी हर एक में उलझन का हल पा लेता था। तेरे हाथों की रोटी अक्सर ही भूख से ज्यादा खा लेता था। तेरी बातों में अपनी हर एक में उलझन का हल पा लेता था। वो तेरे हाथों की रोटी अक्सर ही भूख से ज्यादा खा लेता था। तेरा हिस्सा मैं, तेरा किस्सा मैं, जो सबको सराहती हो। आज भी मेरी बात चले तो याद आती हो तुम। आज भी मेरी आँख भरे तो याद आती हो मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी कोने को थामे तेरे आंचल के बेफिक्रा मैं सो जाता था। मेरे दिल में क्या है तेरे बिना माँ,